And then right here, I want you to note down the last 4 letters that you see right here. We're going to need to use this in just a few moments. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to save it somewhere on my computer. All right, with that done, let's go to the top right and click on Terminal. I'll be entering a few different commands into this terminal throughout the video, so there's going to be a link down in the description that you can go to that will give you access to a Hermes agent setup guide. It's going to show you all of the different commands that I'll be using in this video and some other helpful commands for you later on. So go ahead and open up that guide in a separate tab or on another monitor and continue following the video. Now the first thing that we want to do here is navigate to our project directory. So run this command, cd/docker/Hermes-agent- and then the last 4 letters that we just wrote down. In my case, that's GCZY. Go ahead and press enter. All right, now let's get inside the running container. From here, type docker compose exec-it hermes-agent/bin/bash. Go ahead and run this command. And now we're inside the Hermes agent container. You may see warnings right here that say that the other API key variables are not set, and that's totally normal. Don't worry about this. Now let's make sure everything is working properly. From here, type Hermes status and run that command. Okay, so now we can see our Hermes agent status here. And as for right now, everything is looking good. Right now we can see that we have Telegram configured. And the next thing that we need to do here is select our model that we're going to be using. So go ahead and type Hermes model and send it. And from here, you can choose the provider that you want to use. Since we set up OpenRouter a few minutes ago, we'll be going with OpenRouter. Press enter on your keyboard. And then from here, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to select the model you want to go with. By default, it'll be set to Claude Opus 4.6, which is super expensive. In my case, I'm going to go down and go with GPT 5.4 Mini. But in your case, you can go through and look through these and choose whichever model you want to go with. Once you have your model selected, press enter on the keyboard, and that'll reconfigure your default model. And then to make sure that everything is running, the next command you want to enter is Hermes gateway start. Press enter. And in some cases, you may get this error right here. If this happens to you, go ahead and type Hermes gateway and send it. And then right here, it's telling us that the gateway is already up and running, which is good news. So now the next thing that we need to do here is make sure that Telegram is working properly. So that way we can actually talk to our Hermes agent. So let's switch back over to Telegram. And then to open up a conversation with your Hermes agent, go ahead and click on this link right here. Then go down and click on Start. And then you should get this message right here that contains a pairing code and a command. Go ahead and click on this command right here. That's going to copy it down. Then switch back over to your browser terminal. Paste in the command right here. I'll do this using Control, Shift, and V. Then press Enter. And then here you can see that the user was approved, and that will be automatically recognized on our next message.